Hi, it's another Friday. Welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. I hope the week was good. In this short video, we are going to look at a very simple trick to help you create in-cell charts using conditional formatting. So we are going to look at something like this. So this is a simple budget versus actual template, and for each spend here in actual, I want to visualize it using these cells as visual blocks. So let's head to Excel and see how we got this done. So we start off from here. These are the numbers I'm going to use, and then I need a helper row, okay, with equal width. So you can easily do this by highlighting the rows and pressing Alt HOW, okay, and then you put in any number. That would make sure that the column width is standard throughout. So I'll now laid it out. Now what you need to do is just have an idea of the range of your numbers here. So I can fairly say that this would normally be between 0 and 1000. So it is that I'm going to use as a marker. So I'll start off with 0, and then I can do 100, and then maybe continue like that. So this plus 100 will give me 200, and take it all the way, Control R, and I'll extend this to 1000. So I've basically created a 0 to 1000 marker, and it has to follow each other. So I now have my marker. Once I have this, all I need to do is select the area, that's the intersection, okay, and then go to conditional formatting, and then I'll go to new row, go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So it allows you to put a formula here. If the formula returns true, then the conditional formatting is triggered. So the formula we are going to use here, after highlighting this range, is we'll select the first number to our left. So this is G14, F4, F4 to move the dollar sign only to the column so that the rows are free to move when we copy down. So if this G14 I've selected is greater than or equal to this number here, okay, so the 0 here, another F4 to just fix the dollar sign to the row so that this doesn't move down as we copy down. I mean, that's the concept that the conditional formatting is going to use. Okay, so if this formula returns true, then the conditional formatting will be triggered. Now, after putting in the formula, you come to set your conditional format. So I'll click format, and I just want a simple fill here. So I'll choose this light blue, and then I'll click OK. When I'm done, I will just click OK here. So essentially what it's going to do is that it takes the number and then it will use these markers, okay, to plot to fill each cell. Okay, so if you want any other ranges, example, if you want a higher range, you could start with 400 as an example, okay, and then let's say we'll increase this by 400, and then we go to the right like that. Okay, so just use a range as you deem appropriate to the range of numbers that you have in the actuals in this case. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. You can join our broadcast list. We send our new videos to you on Mondays and Fridays. Please send add to this WhatsApp number. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please visit, subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.